Hi everybody, so I'm just coming to the beginning of this video just to say I actually bought a second Jaclyn Hill palette. So there's going to be 2 winners drawn today from the random comment picker. So I'm super excited. You guys went totally like bananas in the comments section, and I went and looked to see if there was any more Jaclyn Hills or if they had been sold out, and they weren't. I checked my local Ulta first and they don't have them there yet. So the second palette is due to be at my house. I believe is next Monday, what the shipping said. So the first person is gonna get their palette a little earlier than the second person because I have to wait for the palette to get here to then send it to you guys. So yeah, I'm super excited, and let's see who our 2 winners are. Okay, so here's random comment generator number 1. Cher Edward! You won one of the palettes! Okay, let's do winner number 2. Congratulations! I'm gonna be contacting you via Instagram like I normally do, so. Here's for the second winner of the palette. Nope. So nope, you're gonna get a palette as well. So I will be contacting both of you guys via Instagram, and congratulations. I'm so happy for you guys, and I can't wait till you get your palettes, and yeah, congrats. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Good morning. Oh, that was so much squeaking at once. So I am going to review / test these INCOCO, I don't know how you pronounce it, INCOCO nail stickers. My sister told me about them over the holidays. She said that my mom wore these and that they lasted basically a month. She had to take them off with nail polish remover because they grew out so much. So I wanted to try them. They come with 16 stickers, and they come with the little file that you've seen there just come out of the package. And I believe they have like 8 different designs online. I did order some extras from Ulta that you guys can find out at the end of the video what the extras are for. But yeah, so here I am ripping it open. I didn't watch or see my mom put these stickers on her nails, so I have no idea how to do this, nor have I ever used such a product. I've used like those things like nail stencils and like the little stickers that you put on your nails and then paint over. So yeah, here I'm measuring my nail. It does say that you can like stretch the product, but you'll see me stretching and it just rips it, so highly don't recommend. I'd recommend you just using a bigger size than what you think your nail is and kind of just like trimming off the excess. So there's a plastic layer, and then there's the actual nail polish sticker, and then you have to remove that little silver bit to apply it to your nail. It is really sticky, so I mean I pulled it off and put it back on at one point. Here it is, and it did re-stick, but I wouldn't recommend doing that either. Like once you stick it on, just make sure it's on, or else I don't know, or else nothing, I guess. But here I am sticking it on, and this is where I was trying to like stretch it, because I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely hate when there's like a gap on the side of your nail that you can see your natural nail. So I was trying to stretch it out to cover my whole nail, and I ripped it, so then I just ripped the whole thing off. And then here I'm taking the bigger size and doing the same thing. This one, if you can see, I didn't rip that bottom portion off, and if you don't rip the bottom portion off, that plastic layer gets stuck on there. If you have the plastic layer on there, you cannot use it. Like, just don't even bother, because it won't like separate when you go to take the excess off your nail. It won't come off. It doesn't rip apart because the protective seal basically is still on there. So this is all like trial and error, trial and error. Then you just buff with the little buffer that comes with it, which I thought was, or not buff, file. The little filer that came with it was like really cute. I didn't expect a filer to be in there. But see how on the side of my nail, you can totally see my natural nail? It's because I didn't grab a size big enough. So just forewarning, like just get it a little bigger than what you need and you'll be good. And also all the footage on here I had to flip upside down because the way I filmed the angles, so if you look at the instructions and they're reading backwards, that's why. So you're not crazy and the instructions didn't come backwards, it's just I had to flip the image, so sorry, but it just makes sense for my hands to be on this side than like coming down from the top of the screen. Dust, dust, dust. Smush, smush, smush. This one also had a little side too. My finger is whiter than the nail polish. This one's not so bad. But it says to like gently stretch it to like fit your nail. And I tried to stretch 2 of them and they ripped. So I don't know if I'm just like not being gentle enough or...
Well, maybe you can use some of the wider. Oh, they don't really give you many extras.
Yeah, and then one of them I ripped the bottom too fast. So there's like a plastic. You have to peel this first. And then you peel the nail polish off of this. So one of them I ripped it too fast. And I ripped the plastic later off. So I like wasted one whole nail basically.
Oh.
I don't know, whenever I go to the nail salon, because at the nail salon they do this too, because they don't want to like clean up the side of your nail, so they'll like leave a blank space. It's like the most annoying thing. Hello everybody, so today is an update on how my nails are doing. It's been exactly a week. As you can see, my nails have grown out a little bit. It does say on the instructions that you can like stretch the nail product out, but when I had done this nail thinking I could stretch it out, it ripped and it doesn't really fit here. The same thing happened with this nail. On the other hand, it looks much better and the rest of the nails look better because I used bigger sizes, but they've been sticking on really well. The only thing that I've noticed is that like this end of the nail polish, whenever I run, or not the nail polish, the little sticker, whenever I run my fingers through my hair is starting to get like caught under here, so it's like lifting a little bit. And if this was regular nail polish, I would have been picking at it already. But because I'm doing this experiment, I'm trying not to pick at the nail polish too much. I also noticed right after I had put them on that there was like a little bubbling on the end, or on the edges on the side of my nails. So I had like rubbed those out and then they ended up flattening out and being fine. The only thing that, this is another one I tried to stretch and I cracked the sticker. I mean, they're lasting really long, but when I put my nail polish on, I really like for the nail polish to like go all the way around my nail, and because these are like preset, you know, sizes and things, you can't really get that luxury with this type of sticker. But that's like me being super picky. Other than that, like they're intact, they haven't chipped. I haven't really been babying them other than just not picking them. We took a pinball machine apart. I've been washing my hands and doing chores and laundry and all that stuff, and they're lasting. So 1 week update is good. Let's see next week. Hi, so now it's been 2 weeks and this is what my nails look like. These two fingers look like this because I was picking them. If I wasn't picking them, they would, well actually, this finger initially pulled off, or like a chunk of it came off because I was washing my hair in the shower and my hair got caught underneath it and like pulled a chunk off, but then I pulled way more off. So this finger would look more like this finger if I hadn't like ripped off the excess. You see how like a tiny chunk is missing, because the same thing happened on this finger too. My hair got caught in it, but other than that, these have been lasting really long. When my sister told me about these, she said that they had lasted about 3 weeks to a month on my mom, but because we have a little baby obviously and I work every day typing all day, I think that's why it didn't last as long on my hands, and because of the baby I have to wash my hands about 50,000 times a day. So but other than that, like these two nails, I mean, they're just growing out naturally, like nothing's really happened. They haven't like chipped on their own. Any chipping that you see, this was done by like getting caught in my hair, but this hand I didn't really pick, so if I hadn't picked the other hand, it would probably still look like this. So I wanted to do two things, because now that my hand looks like this disaster, I want to take it off. So I want to see how difficult it is to take it off with nail polish remover, because that's what the instructions say to remove it with. So let's see what happens. So I'm going to just use my regular nail polish remover that I use all the time. So I just got all the nail polish off of this finger. The difficulty level is like if you're taking off any other like glitter nail polish, you know how you kind of have to like scrape it off to get the nail polish off. So that's kind of what's happening here. Also, when I was picking this nail, I noticed that when you pick the nail polish off, the smell of like new nail polish, or like when you first put them on, kind of reactivates, which I thought was like funny but weird also. It smells like, I think it's because, you know, the nail polish is sealed in whatever kind of plasticky thing they make to make it a sticker. So whenever a piece cracked off, it was like, oh, new nail polish smell. But that's not that difficult to remove. I really like these stickers. They definitely lasted a lot longer than if I was just if I had just had like regular nail polish on. So I think they're a win. I believe each pack is $8.99 or $9.99, and they come with 16 little stickers. It is a little more pricey, I would say, than buying a bottle of nail polish, but if you want a really like cute, intricate design that will stick for a week perfectly, because that's what happened here, then I would recommend them. So if you've made it this far into the video, I am doing a giveaway. I have 2 sets of 4. 2 sets of 4 nail designs that I'm going to give away, so there's going to be 2 winners. So like all my other giveaway videos, just leave a comment down below, and maybe I'll let this giveaway last a little longer. I'll decide what day it's going to end, and I'll put it in the description box below, so check that to see if the giveaway is still running. But yeah, let me get the other decals that I bought, and I will show you the designs that you could win. So here are the 4 designs you could win. This one is the one that's currently on my nails. Then there's this one. It's a marbled, like light blue, peach, pink, and black, and the nail polish itself is like silver. Sorry, it's going out of focus. This one is like a pink, purple, blue, and silver, like glitter spots, which I think is really cute. And then this one is just like pink glitter, like straight up pink glitter, which is also really cute. So both packages that you're able to win have these same 4 designs. So subscribe to the channel, leave a comment for me down below, leave a like on this video if you can. Obviously the more views I get on these videos, the more revenue I can make, and then the more stuff I can buy to give away. So share these videos if you'd like. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this nail art testing, and I will see you guys on the next one. Okay, bye.